There's nothing better than a beautifully caught fresh fish, a trucha from the lake, a trout from the lake. I'm channeling my beautiful memories from Mexico with the pescado zarandeado or pescado a la talla with beautiful aromatic elements that are gonna make this really pop in your palate. I can't wait to show you. This trout right here is where it's at. Let's start with seasoning this, okay? You wanna hit it with a little bit of olive oil, a little salt, pepper. You can put a little seasoning mix in there if you wanted to. A little bit of chili flake, thyme. I have some tarragon. I have some parsley. Just take some lime sort of wheels, and we're gonna kind of sprinkle those around as well. Some red jalapeno. And I just like to cut these into some nice long slices as well. And then I have some roasted garlic that I took off the grill. So now what we're gonna simply do is put that in a nice, beautiful, hot grill and let it do its thing. Pescado zarandeado for our grilled trout. And I just grill. Just take the bottom part right there, just like that. Looking great, feeling great.